The bike world brings you the latest updates on automobiles, and today we dive into the 2025 Audi A5, a car that blends style, technology, and performance seamlessly. This model comes with a bold design featuring a sleek front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a well-defined body structure that enhances aerodynamics. The sculpted lines give it a sporty yet elegant look, making it stand out on the road. The alloy wheels have been redesigned for better aesthetics and improved performance, ensuring a smooth and confident drive. The car's overall build quality is refined with high-grade materials, delivering a premium feel inside and out. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A5 offers a range of engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder variant that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. The vehicle comes with both front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, catering to different driving preferences. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it ideal for various road conditions. The transmission is smooth and responsive, ensuring a dynamic and engaging driving experience. The car also features an advanced suspension system that provides superior comfort while maintaining sharp handling characteristics. The interior of the 2025 Audi A5 is packed with luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious, featuring high-quality leather seats with ergonomic design for maximum comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster that offers customizable displays for navigation, vehicle information, and entertainment. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice command functionality allows hands-free operation, enhancing convenience and safety. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every ride enjoyable. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Audi A5, with an array of advanced features designed to protect passengers and enhance driving confidence. The car is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera provide better visibility and ease of maneuvering in tight spaces. Audi's driver assistance technology ensures added security, making long drives more relaxing and stress-free. Efficiency is another highlight of the 2025 Audi A5, with improved fuel economy compared to its predecessors. The engine technology has been fine-tuned for optimal performance while reducing emissions. The mild hybrid system assists in better fuel management, providing an eco-friendly approach without compromising power. The car also features multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to switch between efficiency, comfort, and dynamic settings based on their preferences. Connectivity and convenience are well addressed in this model. The vehicle offers wireless charging for smartphones, multiple USB ports, and an intuitive climate control system that maintains the ideal cabin temperature. The seats are equipped with heating and ventilation functions, ensuring comfort in different weather conditions. The panoramic sunroof adds to the luxurious feel, giving the cabin a more open and airy ambience. Customization options for the 2025 Audi A5 allow buyers to choose from various exterior colors, interior trims, and additional features to personalize their car. The attention to detail in every aspect of the design makes it a desirable choice for those looking for both performance and luxury. The driving dynamics of this model are impressive, with precise steering and well-balanced weight distribution. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Audi A5 offers a refined and exhilarating drive. The braking system is responsive, adding to the overall safety and control of the vehicle. With all these features, the 2025 Audi A5 continues to be a strong contender in its segment, combining elegance, technology, and power in one remarkable package. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.